If you aspire to experience the New York City lifestyle while pursuing your academic dreams and enjoying the comfort of your home far away from home, Morningside Park Home is the best place to start. This student accommodation offers an array of modern private rooms with top-notch amenities. Wake up on a cozy bed with fresh linens in your private bedroom, where a study desk and chair are waiting for you to start your assignments, and a window to pass the aromas of the rich culture of New York City. Binge watch, work from home, or make PPTs, the free Wi-Fi has got you covered. Cook your favorite meals together with your homies in the fully equipped gourmet kitchen and wash out your stress in the rainfall shower. Stay by to the laundry issues and extra expenses, because all utilities are included in the common amenities and rent. Speaking of the location, it is nestled a short stroll away from the Columbian University and a 7-minute drive from the City College of New York. Moreover, it abounds hundreds of the best restaurants, bars, and hot spots in the world, including Mama Tina's Pizza, the world-famous Museum of Ice Cream, Whiskey Tavern Bar, and many more. Find 3 bus stops just down the street in a few footsteps, and explore the city of dreams on 4 wheels. Let's go get your home today at amberstudent.com.